Okay. My friend Dawn is recording this speech. I'm sorry that I wasn't able to actually show her, but I will continue on with my second speech here. It is informative and persuasive. Smoking is very dangerous to our health. Smoking damages your body and good health in numerous ways. It not only affects you, the smoker, but it also harms the fetus and other people that are around you. The cost of smoking in terms of healthcare and resources and other economic costs cannot be underestimated. According to Livestrong.com, there are 10 risks why smoking is bad for your health and to others' health. One of the reasons is smoking can increase the risk of heart disease and stroke twofold to fourfold. Smoking causes blood vessels to narrow, which leads to reduced blood delivery to body tissues. It also causes blood vessels to weaken or balloon, also known as an aneurysm. It causes liver disease. According to the CDC, 49% of current smokers have chronic bronchitis and 24% have emphysema. The chances of dying from COPD are 12 to 13 times higher among smokers than non-smokers. Number 3, smoking also weakens your bones. Women that smoke have a higher chance of getting osteoporosis and hip fractures after menopause. Number 4, cigarette smoke causes cancer. There are numerous chemicals, with more than 50 that are known to cause cancer. Smokers have a higher risk of several types of cancer, such as lung, stomach, bladder, mouth, and esophagus. 90% of cases of lung cancer are caused by cigarette smoking. Number 5, secondary harm secondhand smoke has on others. Secondhand smoke causes cancer and other diseases. The American Cancer Society notes that secondhand smoke is responsible for more than 45,000 deaths due to heart disease and about 3,400 deaths due to lung cancer in non-smokers in the U.S. each year. It also increases the chances of children having more ear infections and colds and an increased risk for sudden infant death syndrome. I grew up around my parents smoking, and I do believe that it had a big influence on the illnesses that I did get as a child. Having ear infections, bronchitis, you name it, I had it. I don't know for a fact that it was caused from them smoking, but I do greatly believe that it could have been a cause of my health problems that I had then and still have today. Number 6, it causes mouth and throat problems. Some things smoking causes is stained teeth and reduced sensations of smell and taste. It also increases the risk of cancers of the mouth, lips, tongue, and throat. Number 7, it causes pregnancy complications. If women smoke pregnant, they have a higher chance of giving birth to a premature baby. There is also a chance of low birth weight in babies and also stillborn babies. It can also cause the women to become infertile. My mom smoked while she was pregnant with my sister and I both. My sister was born breech with her hips out of socket, and I was born 2 months premature. I still had a normal birth weight, but I was very sick as a child. So again, I do relate this back to her smoking while she was pregnant with both of us. Smoking as secondhand can trigger asthma attacks. If you continue to smoke with asthma, it can significantly worsen the condition and make it difficult to control. Among young children, secondhand smoke increases the risk of developing asthma. Number 9, smoking increases healthcare costs. The CDC estimates that smoking-related illnesses cost $96 billion annually, and that the United States loses roughly $97 billion in productivity costs due to worker ailments related to smoking. And lastly, it causes early death. Men that smoke die 13.2 years earlier than non-smokers, and women die 14.2 years earlier. This is all according to the CDC. Other things that smoking can cause is cognitive dysfunction. Smoking seems to be linked to people getting Alzheimer's disease. So as you can see, there are many reasons that a person should not smoke. A person giving up the habit of smoking is one of the most crucial things that an individual can probably do. Quitting smoking ensures a longer, healthy, and better lifestyle. People live longer if they give up smoking and have reduced their risk of suffering a heart attack, stroke, or cancer. So please, if you are a smoker, please consider for yourself and others to stop the habit of smoking and make it a better environment for everybody.